Welcome to the Windows Insider channel. So here it is, the Windows 11 first build to test is out. Build 22,000.51, so 22000.51 is available in the dev channel. You can now already check it out. I've started the install on my new compatible mini PC. And this is going to be fun. We're going to be checking it out later today. I'll be giving my impressions, and we'll be, of course, having a lot of videos talking about the features and the stuff in there. So exciting. It's here. Some people were saying that maybe Monday would be the time, and it is. So a brand new build, brand new direction of the Windows Insider program. So what you have to do, I'm going to show you in the next video, because I'll be actually doing this on another machine also. But what you have to do is enable the Windows Insider program on your machine. To do this, what you have to do is go into the settings, into the update and security, Windows Insider program at the bottom left, and then you follow the instructions. You click the Get Started button. Once all is set up, you restart your PC, and when you check updates, you should see dev channel build 22,000.51 show up for Windows 11. So maybe exciting times are back again a little bit, at least. So if you're not compatible with minimum requirements, remember that this should install anyways. They're going to let you install and test it out if you're not minimum requirement. Unfortunately, if you're not minimum requirement, remember that they're going to actually roll you back later this year when it's officially released. So this is something that maybe is not fun for a lot of you. And for those asking about the Windows Insider, when are you going to be able to get out of this? Well, they seem to have changed the way that it is, so that would kind of tell me that you probably will be able to get out of this officially, hopefully at least, because the Windows Dev channel for a while now you weren't able to really get out of any builds. I would guess with Windows 11 maybe this could change. We'll see as time goes by. So head on to your Insider machines and install it. It's available right now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.